The screen change switch is a function switch that converts to a set screen. There are 5 types of screen switching: device, +1, -1, previous and fixed. Right-click on the base screen and click New Screen, Screen Library. Select Library and click OK. A new screen has been added. Double-click one base screen. From the Object Ribbon menu, click Change Screen Switch. Drag to select the entire workspace. Select Operation to Screen Number and select Screen Number to 2. Click Display tab. Select Form to None. Click Copy from On to Off. Click OK. From the Communication ribbon menu, click Download. Click Download. Downloading is complete. Check the HMI screen.